Hello everyone, welcome to day 10 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a ribbed single crochet. So as you can see, this stitch, it has a slight elastic nature. Okay. So to make this, you need to master the the back loop single crochet, which was yesterday's stitch. So again here I have already done a row of normal single crochet. We have to start off with making a back loop single crochet. Okay. Right. So now we have one row of back loop single crochet. After this, you have to chain one, turn your work and make a row of normal single crochet, not front loop, just normal single crochet. Okay. So now we have a row of back loop single crochet and a row of normal single crochet. Again, chain one, turn and do a row of back loop single crochet. So just like this, you have to keep repeating one row of back loop single crochet and one row of normal single crochet. So when you do this, it kind of creates an elasticity in the stitch pattern. This kind of ribbed crochet stitches are mainly used as a waistband, or you can use it like a wristband for your sweaters, sleeves, or even you can add it like a edging in your crochet work. Do try this out and I'll meet you back with yet another interesting crochet stitch tomorrow. Thank you.